girl Queen See Me. Welcome back to another mukbang. Guys, hope you guys are feeling good and doing good. So this your girl Queen See Me. Can you see me? Can you see me now? How about now? Cool, that's what's up, guys. Alright. About to jump right into this mukbang after I say my prayer, guys. Thank you, Heavenly Father, for this blessed food I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. I pray for the less fortunate. I pray this food does not harm me in any way. Thank you for my beautiful FizzFam, Father. In your heavenly name, thank you, Father. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. 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 All right. So, guys, really quickly, I just shared a um, grocery haul video with you guys. And I decided I'm going to jump on and kill this because Gabby had bought me egg McMuffin from McDonald's. Okay, you guys can see what I am, the Golden Arch. Okay, McDonald's, and she got me some hash browns, and because we don't eat meat, so you know, guys, and so we got an egg McMuffin and some hash browns, and I have a donut for dessert really quickly because I can only eat one of these, and I don't eat dessert a lot, so I'm gonna go ahead and dig right into this here mukbang. Okay, guys. So hope you guys are doing good. I gotta put me a little bit of jelly on here because it's hot. It's smoking. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's smoking. There's some smoke coming up from there. It's really hot. I can feel the heat on my hand. But yeah, guys. So I said, well, let me just jump on and at least do my Mickey D's mukbang right quick. So it's not a lot, just something I want to share really quickly with you guys. I have to have a lot of jelly on mine. I don't like the McMuffin. I like okay. Biscuits I'm not that crazy about, but I'll eat them with a lot of jelly. Well, fruit spread. This is organic fruit spread, guys. So if you want to know what I'm using, it's the grape. They didn't have strawberry like I like, so that's organic. All right, Simply Truth. All right, so go ahead and start eating. I don't have my mic, but what the heck. Ooh. Got my awa. Got my water. Make sure you get your water on, guys. Still sharing the water, doing the water challenge. Mm. Yep, as you guys can see, I had a huge grocery haul today. Oh my God. Had to get that out the way. I'm not trying to do no shopping over the weekend. Not feeling all that. So many people to shop for in this house. Oh God. I know you guys probably say, you okay? Mmm. I do need some water. Everything, eggs keep sliding out. These are good. I got a burn somewhere on the back of my lip. Mm. Comment below if you like McDonald's Hashbrowns and egg McMuffins. I know a lot of people like these egg McMuffins. Woo! Still hot. Woo! Boy, this is enough for me. I had on with my little fuzz ball. Yes, guys, those last few things you guys that I shared with you for my grocery haul, those are the little things that I get from Walmart. The bigger haul came from Aldi, and almost sort of a bigger haul came from Kroger's too. I usually don't get that much more from Kroger's, but I got so many coupons. I had a good, amount of savings. You can do the digital download and save more. You can do, and you can get your coupons that they send you, and there'd be a lot of them. Every time I go up there, they'd be like, "Wow, you save really good." I'm like, yep. I forgot to do the doggone digital though. I'm so mad. I feel like I'm choking this food down. I don't know why it's not that serious. I know I need to leave, but all right. Donuts are so good. Looking like a glazed donut, right? Mmm. Mmm. Honestly, guys, what I just ate plus this piece would be enough for me. I just don't like a lot of sweets. But I love my dark chocolate. I love my dark chocolate. These right here, blueberry or caddy or whatever, and the pomegranate. I get a handful of those and I'll be good. Woo. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for me. Thank you, guys. Love you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And until next time, I'm going to see you guys. You guys see me on your screen. Love you all. I say that. Love all our new subscribers. Thank you so much. And all our old day ones. I don't say old, but day one subscribers. Okay. All right, girls. Guys, this is your girl Queen. See me. Until next time. Love you. Peace, love, and night. I'm out. Thank you so much for watching, FizzFam Loyals, and please be sure to turn on that post notification bell.